And in that same time, while all that's occurring, there's already one that's been traveling to position 1 again. So that way, once it runs and drops off to position 1, is available. Now, this can be done with multiple different parts. I mean, this is where you can really speed up the line by adding like 5 stations. And instead of the robot only picking up 1 part at a time, the robot picks up 5 parts at a time in its tooling. Places like 5, and then maybe you need 2 buffer stations, and each one of those buffer stations have, 5 parts each. I'll give you different scenarios of different types of systems and different levels of buffering that may occur. Buffering is huge when it comes to having an automated system that operates really smoothly and that eliminates downtime. So keep that in mind when it comes to like maintenance and when it comes to just downages on your systems for any reasons. And I'll give you one last reason why you need to have buffering. Going back to the more long-term buffering, you can utilize that as day off, right? You can use that for more productivity without using as many employees.